Hello YouTube. Saturday. Just let these out as you can see. Trouble is, this is the prime time that a sparrowhawk will come along and pick them off the loft. Hence, that's what happened yesterday. Because they're just sitting about there. Easy targets. Thought I'd try and film them going up. They've only been up once, and that was just because of the forced fly, because of the hawk. Come on. I'll video what I can, but if they do this for too long, I shall just cut this out, because you want to see them going up, don't we? That's what we want. And obviously coming down again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let them go down on the floor. A few people commented yesterday about why I didn't do anything about that bird that caught the pigeon. Well, for starters, I'd had to jump across this water to get to it, and I wanted to get the other ones in. Because I had 16 other birds on the loft. If I'd have scared that hawk off the other pigeon, something might have happened to these. That might have got up and chased these about. Yeah, they're all gone apart from two reds. Thought they might have gone up this weekend. I'll just let these go for about 5-10 minutes maybe. One's landing on the house. One's trying to land on the tree, look. No, they're not. Come down. That's strange, look. Two reds. It didn't go up. I've got 2 or 3 here look, that I don't mind them coming down without the droppers at the minute. They're probably a bit younger, but these 6 can go on for about 5 minutes with it. And then I'll get the droppers out and see if they respond. They probably won't respond in 5 minutes. Oh, there's another one gone up. Where's he gone? are getting quite, they're going up now, so I think I will actually. I've been videoing for 5 minutes. How long have they been up for? A couple of minutes? I remember this time last year, babies just went straight up and that was it, they were gone. Let's get some of these bad boys out. Get them back down again. Come on. It's not about time in the air, it's about getting them down again at this stage, I think. Come on. Come on. Come on. This fall gone right way out there. They'll be back in 5 minutes. Just finding their wings, aren't they? Realising they can fly. This one's still buzzing around here. Come on. I'll let all the droppers out. More activity then, isn't there? Come on. Oh, tray. Come on. Then 4 have disappeared. They've gone way over the houses, right over there. It's fields all over there. There they are. Split all up. There's 2 and a 2. Come on. I've got 1, 2 there, sent the picture, and I Did see the other two there a minute ago. Let's hope they come back then. Come on. A sparrowhawk come flying over in a minute. Come on. Like that, but it's down. Can't keep holding this tin and working these young and droppers whilst videoing. So I'll try and video when they come over again and land, hopefully. Come on. That's one back, still got three out. And there's no sign of them. Right, it's been 15 minutes since I've got three out still and just coming back over the house. But in the meantime I've chucked out some old birds to try and attract them. I've got the other birds in. Now these have had these three here, the last is a red, blue with a white tail and another blue up there. And these are the last three that are young'uns. Everything else has been put away, so if they were to come a bit more over this way, I'd get the droppers out. But they're going back away again, look. But at least I know they're still in the area. I took my eyes off. Oh, look. They're above this house. Yeah, so now they're coming this way. So I'm going to put the droppers out again and see if that attracts them down. Where are they? They're coming closer. 4 old birds are up there. They might join up with these young'uns. I don't know. I'm hoping to get these young'uns down now. The droppers are out, but they're not interested. The old birds aren't interested in the droppers. They want to fly. They were going to be out all afternoon anyway. So, oh, I lost them. They turned around again. Come on. Come on. If they were to come over the loft, they'd probably come down. Come on. I'm hoping they'd be more interested in dropping than flying. Come on. There's 4 old birds, and oh, it took me up. There's the others. Even if they join, it don't matter. But looks like they've got the. They're more interested in going off again. They're not interested in the drops at all. Come on. See them now. Oh, here they come. Should we say goodbye to them? Come on. Come on. You see the old birds then as well. Come on. They obviously weren't hungry enough. I don't like it when they're sitting there all horrible and miserable. That's why I feed them too much, I think. Look at them old birds up there. You see them old birds? Crikey. There's 2 cocks and 2 hens up there, old birds. The reserve team. I think the youngers are going to join them. I don't mind if they join them. Fly all day then, can't they? If they want to fly, they'll be flying all day. It's the trouble with tipplers. As soon as you take your eye off them, you can't find them again. Oh, I can't see it. Oh, there they are. Keep looking. I can't work the droppers and video at the same time. That's the trouble. Young birds and the old birds are up there higher. You might be able to see them both in that one picture then. I reckon these youngers might drop. I'm hoping anyway. No, they're going off again. There's one just pulled them back again, you see that? Come on. Now they split. I've got two there and one over there. I reckon that means one probably comes. Yeah, look at that one clapping like an old bird. They know where they are. I think they know where they are. This is the trouble with tipplers. All they want to do is fly. They've hardly had bugger all food. You see how miserable and humped up they all look on the loft. And now they're in the sky, all they want to do is just fly. Droppers have been out all this time and them old birds are still up there. But they're not interested. Like I said, they're not interested. Right, I'll stop that and video if they come over again. Right, here they are. Come on! Not interested at all. Got one here, interested. Come on. Join up with the old birds. The old birds come down a bit now. Pretty sure they know where they live. Just not hungry enough. And are they going to kit with the old birds? There's the other one. Come on. There you go, all together now. Trouble is they won't drop. I don't think they'll drop. Old birds are more likely going to fly for about 4 or 5 hours. To be continued.